Okay, I'm gonna show you the XSS and MySQL part of the Pentester lab. This extract explains how you to cross-site scripting a vulnerability and get access to an administrator cookies, and now using a SQL injection to gain code execution. This is going to be divided in cross-scripting. In the first to get cookies, we're gonna try to select this payload and see what response of the system we have if it's executed. We're gonna see this. We're gonna go and comment something. Let's type, I don't know, hacking, author, hacker, and then we inject our payload. As we see, it executed our text, so that means that we can now write something like hacking hacker and then inject our payload to see if we can gain access on the cookies. We're gonna paste this script with the attacker's IP, and we're gonna run it. Let's see if the script is correct, and we're gonna start the server, HTTP server, to try to catch the cookie in the port 44444. Now it's initiating the server. With the server, we're gonna catch the cookie by inserting the payload. Now we just inserted the payload. Now we're gonna see in the server if catch something. As we see, we got the PHP session and all the HTTP information of the payload that we inserted. Now we're gonna copy our session ID and add it to our cookies. Add. Then we're gonna make our name PHP session and our cookie that we took from the server. Now we have access for the admin functions, and that's the XML XX cross-site scripting part. Okay, now we're gonna do the MySQL part. We're gonna do some SQL injections. Now we're gonna try. Let's see in edit, see what we can have. We're gonna try to inject our payload from the URL. This script, as we can see, is showing us some information where the payload is executing. Then we're gonna inject this code and see what we have. This is the database version. Now with the database version, we can now try to insert another code and see what we have. Now the site is running on a root localhost. We have with this version of the server. Now we can get this information. Now we can make another payload to get even more sensitive data. Okay, we insert another payload, tracking our post method on the application, and we're gonna put the able PHP where there's some information important information there. Let's see. CSS, and we see we have the evil PHP file. Now, with this, we can get information of the passwords. Insert another code, another field, and we see that now there's an error here. We're gonna do CSS, and we have the web shell PHP, which is where mostly the passwords are saved. And then look, a cat etc password is where all information of the usually is stored, and then we have it